If you're looking for a great range of used cars, servicing or MOT testing in the Bournemouth area, then look no further than St Christopher's Garage. We're a family-run business that have been providing vehicle repairs and servicing since 1924. Our expert team offers servicing and repairs to all makes and models without paying main dealer prices. We offer free estimates, and we will always explain what your service will cover. Our MOT testing service will help ensure your vehicle is safe and legal on the road. As part of the comprehensive inspection, we check a wide range of your vehicle's components and functions, such as seat belts, steering, suspension, bodywork and lights. We'll check your vehicle's exhaust emissions to make sure it's within the guidelines and that your exhaust system is working effectively. We also check the condition of your wheels, tyres and brakes. To make sure your vehicle is running efficiently, we use the latest in diagnostic testing equipment. Plus, St Christopher's are also proud to be an AA certified garage. If you're looking for a quality used car at an affordable price, talk to our experienced sales team who'll be happy to help. St Christopher's Garage. Give us a call or visit our website today.